if you ask somebody this same question like 6 years ago, they're like, no. Kubernetes, you will not find Kubernetes in those.
No, they will feel there was some special like system there. No, right now the Kubernetes is everywhere.
That also reminds us the Linux kernel. You know, initially Linux started to solve his own problem, and we had no idea. And now it's not only the tiniest device; it's on Mars. It's in the submarines in the ocean. It's like literally everywhere. So
it's a perfect observation. It's like we do think the Linux is the operating system for the single machine. Kubernetes is the operating system for the cluster. Correct.
How are teams looking at the whole GitOps or the whole Argo in the AI era, where you know how to deploy, how to write, and how to manage code? What are you seeing? How teams are looking at it?
Yeah, I think there are two parts. I think number one is actually thinking about what is the AI really good at right now is writing the code. So what is code? Code is GitOps. Basically, our YAML or our Kubernetes configuration, by adopting the GitOps concept right now, which is very common, is basically already in the repository, already in the code. That means it's providing a very solid and direct way for the AI to start to managing the infrastructure or managing the application lifecycle. Means, okay, you just change the YAML in the Git, and Argo CD will do the job to sync it and help you to deploy it properly with automation. That's already given. That's a very already validated pattern. So it means it's already like a plugged in for the AI. On the second part is about we are talking about Kubernetes users. We are talking about people attending here. It's mostly like they are platform team, SRE team. So typically their day-to-day life is, okay, they're trying to run your application and also babysit your application, ensure everything's running fine. So what do we see the trend is the AI is fundamentally started challenging the code deployment, code development. And now we are thinking about for the deployment, for the maintenance, I think AI is playing a substantial role like day by day. So, you know, what is my job if I'm an SRE? Every day I'm like staring at the logs, events, manifest. I try to figure out when something's broken. So what is the root cause? How do I fix it? So actually with the AI's help, we actually build something to solving that demand is in the Argo CD, in the Kargo, we actually added this AI runbook and AI SRE capability is rather than the human to like zoom in all the information, we let the AI to actually digest all the information, getting the conclusion, also factoring the input from the user as the runbook. Basically, you want to tell the AI what's your preference to fixing certain issue, what's the symptom, what's the solution. Then we can take in the action automatically or with the human in the loop. Different approach, either way works. So that's kind of like we think in the future is the AI is going to more like driving a lot of the troubleshooting like for the day-to-day life.